Hello everyone, this is Amji Yadav from class 12 studying Holy Point Academy. Today we will talk about the pandemic disease coronavirus which has been spread all across the world. As we know, in the past decade we have faced many pandemic and we have won all. But this time this pandemic disease is giving us a tough fight. Coronavirus, which is commonly known as COVID-19, is a infectious disease. It is first detected in Wuhan, China in December 2019, and after that it has been spread globally. Health Ministry have confirmed that more than 3.84 million cases across 187 countries and territories. Among them, 2.67 lakh people have been died. Beside all these negative news, there is a positive news that more than 1.24 million people have been recovered. Now we will talk about the coronavirus status in India. So the first corona patient in India was detected on 30 January 2020 in the state of Kerala. The corona patient has a travel history from Wuhan, China, and after that many corona patients have been reported across different cities and states like New Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Patna. The first death from corona was reported in Karnataka on 12 March 2020. As on 8 May, India has been confirmed with more than 56,000 active cases. Among them, India has lost 1,959 valuable lives. And there is a positive news for India also that more than 16,000 people have been recovered. Now we will talk about the symptoms of coronavirus COVID-19. The coronavirus COVID-19 affects different people in different ways, and many of the people have mild and moderate symptoms like fever, dry cough, and tiredness. But there is a less fraction of people facing high symptoms like nasal congestions, paining, sore throat, and dry cough and diarrhea. On an average, it takes 5 to 6 days to show initial symptoms, but in many cases, it takes 14 days to show initial symptoms. Now, let's talk about the impact of coronavirus on the global economy. The coronavirus is having a profound and serious impact on the global economy. It has been actually slowed down the economic activities. It is even serious than the great economic crisis between 2007 and 2008. It has been hit all the areas like business, household, all the institution activities and markets, and at all at the same time. Now we will focus on the points to prevent ourselves from coronavirus. The vaccine to prevent coronavirus is perhaps the best hope to end this pandemic, but unfortunately, there is no vaccine to prevent coronavirus. But many researchers, scientists, doctors, and many other people in different countries are running to develop this wonderful vaccine. The vaccine development will take many months and even many months. And in this time, when there is no vaccine available, the best way to prevent the spread of coronavirus could be wash your hands frequently with soaps and water or with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Maintain safe and social distancing from other people. Avoid touching your nose, mouth and ears with your hand, and always cover your mouth and nose with a mask when going out of the home. And if you are feeling unwell, then stay at home. If you have a fever, cough, and breathing problems, then consult to your doctors and avoid unnecessary visits and follow all the guidelines provided by our government and WHO. And at last, I want to make a request to you in regarding of our Honorable Prime Minister that you must download Arogya Setu app into your phone, as it is not only the app but it is a bodyguard that prevent or save you from the coronavirus. After installing it in your mobile phone, it will search your location via GPS or Bluetooth and inform you that are you in the safe area or not. And it will provide all the latest news and videos about COVID-19 coronavirus into your phone. So please download it and install it into your mobile phone. And to install it, just go to the Play Store and search Arogya Setu and you can install it. So be safe, Be protective and take all the precautions, and thanks for watching the
मजबूरी
video.
हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया।